Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you guys my 3 favorite moves for balance and stability. You can do these moves at your home, in the gym, whatever's comfortable for you, but please remember that when you incorporate stability and balance into your regimen, it can only help with overall strength. So definitely try these out and let me know how you guys like them. So those are my 3 favorite balance and stability moves. Super simple, easy, and definitely effective.
What's going on, guys? Thank you guys for watching. If you'd like to see our previous videos, click here. If you'd like to see more videos, click here.